Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Monday, July 7th. Well, remember, we have a shortened session for Friday, but the Friday trade date will be Monday, July 7th. So that's why I'm saying Monday, July 7th. And we didn't have anything earth-shattering when it comes to fundamental news, but we did have some tariffs coming out of Trump for tariff letters that were sent out, some of them up to 70%. So is this market taking profits before the holiday weekend? And by the way, happy 4th of July for everyone celebrating. Is that what's happening, or have we gotten high enough to find sellers? That we don't know yet. We'll find out more on Monday. Actually, remember, this market starts to trade 5 o'clock Chicago time Sunday night. Well, let's see what's happening. Well, the difference, if you're not familiar with this, daily chart, candle format, these are swing trades is the concept, and the green line's a buy level, red line is a sell level. A dash line means it's something that happened in this past week. The dollar difference, that buy to sell level, is $10,050 a contract. Again, just to give you a reference, over here in the NASDAQ market, this dollar difference buy to sell level in that market is $1,460 a contract. No, it's not. That's this difference, that sell to buy level. This difference, that makes more sense, is $14,940 a contract. Again, equal and opposite potential follow through. And in the Dow, it traded just a bit below its sell level. It also closed above it, so it's underwater a bit as we go into the weekend. Difference buy to sell level in that market is $10,835 a contract. And again, I'm just trying to give you a reference of what these dollar magnitude of change is in these contracts. In the Russell, the buy to sell level in that market is $4,350 a contract. Further movement down is expected, but not a big day down. The reason for that is we need to see how the market absorbs this tariff situation. In the euro, it traded below its sell level. Dollar difference in that currency is $2,950 a contract. I'm looking for, as you see here on Friday, an inside day. Look for more of the same. This structure is bullish. So same thing here for the Swissy. This dollar difference in that market is $3,837.50. Again, it's a market that wants it to go higher. Maybe this tariff situation will cause some weakness in the U.S. dollar. Japanese yen, it's got a little bit of buying. We are looking for an inside type day in that market. Dollar difference buy to sell level, $125 a contract. Follow through to the upside. This is structurally is more of an inside type day. It's not bearish. When it comes to the Aussie dollar, be careful here if you're on the short side. This is a market that also could be reversing directions. British pound wants to go higher. So far, no follow through to the upside in that market. Canadian dollar. This is a market, well, the difference between the buy and sell level, $100 a contract. This is a market that also wants to go higher, looking for a sideways move. The Bitcoin dollar difference buy to sell level there is $11,825 a contract. The dollar difference from this buy level to that sell level is let me give you the right number there, $5,875 a contract. Further movement down, yes, in that market. 10-year note kisses its buy level but does not trade through it. Bonds, dollar difference here in that market, just to give you that reference, is $125 a contract. We're looking for another inside day in that market. And in gold, dollar difference buy to sell level in that market is $4,200 a contract, and the bias, it's for a move to the upside. Ooh. And in silver, sideways move is what we're looking for. Copper, I like this action, and I do look for further movement down. It's at a critical level right now on the short side. And crude oil, backing off. We got a lot of crude oil coming online, and that action that we're seeing here, not too surprising. Same thing in nat gas. Look for a sideways move in that market. And in the grains, we're not going to go through those because they didn't trade on Friday. They'll start trading 5 o'clock Chicago time Sunday night, as these other markets will. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Hope you have a wonderful holiday weekend. And again, happy 4th of July. And I'm looking forward to being with you again next week. In the meantime, take care.